Yeah, I would like to see more companies not trying to be like a pocket multi-tool, right? Like, because that, like Diego is right, there isn't like there isn't one tool that is like the best thing at all of these like very different, very specific things, right? So maybe stop trying to be a multi-tool, because like you're really good at the one thing, but then you're like kind of mediocre to actively not good at all
Yeah.
of this other stuff, and then trying to lock people into using like what is in aggregate a subpar solution at that point.
Hmm.
So specialize in what you're good at, and actively collaborate with other tools that fill in the gaps, that are really good at provisioning or are really good at policy, instead of like trying to force it, and if you are a company that is looking into the use of these tools, again, don't try to use a multi-tool just because it's really good at one thing if it's
Hmm.
really bad at all the other stuff that you need to. Like, it's okay to have more than
Yeah.
one solution. Sometimes there is a way to smooth out the friction there. You really do not, having one tool that is bad at most of what it does, but hey, it's only one tool, that also introduces a ton of problems.